Namaskar friends, this is Acharya Raman here. I am going to talk about how 2021 is going to be for all the ascendants from Aries to Pisces. Saturn is transiting in the star of Sun, Jupiter is in the star of Sun, Rahu will be in Mars star and Ketu will be in Mercury star. These are the four main planets which basically decide how the world is going to be for the coming 1 year to 2.5 years depending upon the transits of the planets. And if you are running the period of these planets, then the effect are going to be maximum, otherwise the effect are not going to be so direct. We are passing through the age of Corona. So, Corona is not going to go in 2021 also, and after studying the horoscopes of over 100 people, I personally came to the conclusion that Rahu is the main factor or Ketu is the main factor, because Rahu was the only thing common in those 100 horoscopes. All the people who had acquired Corona globally had Rahu running in their Dasha Bhukti Yantra, or their Dasha Lord was in Rahu star, or the Dasha Lord was conjoined with Rahu, or Rahu was sitting in the sign of that Dasha Lord. So these are the points, after studying which I came to the conclusion that if you are running the period of any planet which is in the star of Rahu or sub of Rahu, or you are running or if you are running the dasha of Rahu or Ketu, then be very careful. Do not go out without mask. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep washing your hands. Keep away from strangers. Do not travel until unless it is very necessary. And also at that time be very careful, very strict. Otherwise there is no way you can stop yourself from having Corona. Said this, you may be wanting to talk to me again and again, so all you have to do is one simple thing. Just go to the Play Store and download our app, Varta app, AstroSage Varta app. So you can download it and you can call me directly after refilling. So why are you waiting? Just download the app and call me. And suppose if you don't find me on the app, or maybe I am offline, so you can call our customer care. They will arrange a call within very few minutes. So now let me start the horoscope of all the 12 ascendants. Talking about Aquarius people, family life. This is not exactly a good year for family matters. You will not be able to manage things as they should be, and this will create problems of all kinds. Daily chores will irritate you and no support will be there from others. This will make things worse. You should not try to be rude, but be polite whenever there is a discord, because every time goes away. As far as love is concerned, love is not the right thing this year. There is no harm or loss. It is just that your mind is not set to go for it. Due to other things, you will not be able to give time to your beloved, and there can be complaints of not giving proper time. You will feel a bit dejected and depressed this year, and your efforts will not yield results in the way you want them. The advice is to get over your gloomy mindset and get rolling. You will not be having much interest internally for love matters. Those who are looking for a new love should try people from far off places, which looks very possible. Many of you may have partners from places far off and may abroad also. Try these dating apps, you will definitely find something good. Coming to your married life is going to be fine. There is no blemish to the 7th house and things will be in place. You will not show very much interest in the family life and may like to wander here and there, more coming home late and have a depressed face. This will confuse your spouse and you should try to be happy when at home. Extramarital affairs. Your sorrow for things will make you lonely and you are highly prone to find someone who will have a listening ear for your problems. And this will go further and develop into a relation you will want to continue and not show to anyone. Hidden extramarital affair. Extramarital affair is very high in your life this year. Coming to your health, disorders of the mind, liver and pancreas are there waiting for you. Depression is the thing which will eat you this year, at least in the first half. Avoid drugs if you are habitual of drugs, as it is not going to do any good and going to harm you more than it will give you pleasure. Coming to your job, those who are looking for offshore jobs will surely get there. You have a very high chance for abroad placement and job change this year if you are running the period of Saturn in particular. People with Ketu and Jupiter Dasa will also do well, but people with Rahu Antra will not be able to perform well in their jobs and will have to listen to their seniors for not performing as told. Jobs will remain, there are no chances of losing the jobs, but maintaining it will be a big task. Business people running Rahu or Saturn Dasa will not get much, but people with Jupiter will be able to make profits from sources other than the regular ones. The efforts will be required more than usual and you will have to have patience for results to come in desired way. You will be able to sustain in any product domain you are, but growth will be not up to your expectations. So your efforts will be full, but the growth will be less. Money will come but not in the proportion you have in mind. So this year do not throw away money just like you do every time you get some. You are a big spendthrift person. Try to invest in long-term funds and shares. You will not have gains from speculation this year, so do not try to attempt it. Though intraday. Property and vehicles, it will be better to not to go for big purchases this year to avoid loans as much as possible. You may find it difficult to clear the EMIs from time to time. Keep all this for next year. Next year is going to be very good. Accidents, June, July, November, December are the months of caution. So friends, this was all for horoscope 2021. Some may find it good, some may not find it very good. This is what I can come up with, seeing the rotation of the planets. If you want to talk to me, you just download the Varta app and give me a call. But first of all, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get all the videos from our side. As for now, Namaskar.
एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।